Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at AVAX. We're going to double check a couple of key factors here. First things first, it is slowly, steadily decreasing in value. However, it is establishing a nice parallel lows here, concurrent with descending trend. Now, oftentimes that can break to the upside depending on the overall price action. So this could be a very positive thing, but we want to look at a few other key factors to verify. But there's no doubt about it. Like outside looking in, AVAX is looking fairly weak right now at the moment. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything kind of indicating a shift in momentum, perhaps. Again, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Jumping over to our Twitter, Telegram, or Discord if you want to become a better trader. I do have our Trading Academy community and Signals group. Dogecoin, 20% profit in 8 hours, and then Bluezell, 24% rather, in 10 hours. So we just took a few 5x leverage long positions last night. Nothing crazy. We don't get out of control with our leverage. Just know that that is an option there, but more importantly, watch my Trading University videos and ensure that you learn what you can. So here's where we're at with AVAX here. We got a lot of liquidity below the price action. So this leads me to believe we will see some incentive to push the price down to $44. So if you're considering a short, this would be merit, or that would kind of give you merit to maybe consider a short position with this coin. I'm not telling you to short, I'm just telling you that in general, with that much volatility, liquidity, which basically creates volatility, below the price action, there's more propensity for that to happen. Now, if there's a lot of strong contributing factors on the charts, it may be a different story altogether, but there's a lot of longs here between $45 and $44, okay? So just wouldn't be surprised the way that the market movers do it. They wick the price down really quick, get everybody to start shorting, and then just take off and then destroy all the shorts. It's a very, very common thing. Happened with Bitcoin yesterday. Comes down to 67,000, then it ramps right back up to 71.5 or something crazy in a matter of like just a couple of hours. So the market we're in right now is full of manipulation. You just got to be on board with it. I'm not saying that you have to like it, but you have to understand it and use it to your advantage. So that could be an incentive there. Keep in mind there's a lot of incentive at $48.20. Tons of shorts there to get liquidated and or wrecked. Also equally amount upwards of 50 to 52. So 48 to 52 and 44 are the areas we want to pay attention to. So 48 to 52, that's this guy right here, all the way up to about a little bit higher, but that's generally the range of liquidity above us, or liquidation rather, and then we can see down here about 44, heavy concentration liquidation too. So we're right in the middle of the range. So just know that is a thing, okay? All right, you don't have to love it again. I don't love market movers or market makers, whatever you want to call them, but they effectively create price action, and it can be a good thing in the overall sense. All right, so AVAX, still working its way on the descending trend. We're now under the 50-day SMA. We've been under that for a couple of days now, but we want to get back up over that. That's tentatively a resistance level for us, about $48. So remember, $48 to $50 is that resistance range for us, which was supposed to work as a support level, okay? Now, it doesn't always have to, just because support ranges are there doesn't mean that the price just, stop it, we're good, you can't pass here. It just implies that it takes a lot of volume to get there. Keep in mind, there was billions of dollars sold off in a matter of minutes, and in order for the price action to come down that low before. Same thing happened here as well, just day before yesterday, or last night, however you want to put it. So the way to understand this here is that we're in between all moving averages, and if we zoom out and we look at the larger amount of control based on volume, we can see the heaviest point of control. Let's zoom in just a little bit so we can get better perspective. Again, this is roughly since January 1st. So since January 1st, we see the most amount of volume at 36, secondary to that, 43. Okay? So the $43 mark is going to be working as a support level for us moving forward, just so you understand. We are under 50 on the RSI, have been for a little while, not looking fantastic. Stochastic swinging down, money flow index coming up, MACD diverging. So those are generally bearish signs, so we can summarize the daily time frame does not look advantageous and that there's more propensity for the price to continue lower. Again, that's just what we see on the daily. 4-hour time frame is a transitionary time frame, kind of letting us know that things could be shifting momentum. Let's double check this here and see where we're at. So with a 4-hour time frame, we lost our ascending little trend line here. We broke below, potential bearish back test. We can see we're under 50 on the RSI, stochastic swinging down, and money flow index is very low. Okay, keep in mind when MFI is low and RSI is low too, the price does have a tendency of rallying back. So we could just be at that overextended state. If the price comes down any lower, solid chance we get a bounce off 43, 44, considering there's a decent amount of support there in regard to that being the most recent low. but also an overextension to that level would lead the price to want to recover quickly. Okay, so keep in mind we're already kind of bleeding out, and the likelihood of the price action recovering is greater because of that, but that's not a reason to take a trade. Okay, everything is screaming bearish divergence here, and AVAX is definitely taking a turn. I wouldn't say for the worst, but certainly not looking great. We're underneath the cloud. Lagging spans free and clear now, and conversion lines below the baseline. These are all bearish signs here, letting us know that you may want to consider a short position, or just that you'd have more success betting the price goes down than up. If you do end up taking a short, make sure you do low leverage, low position sizing, because we are starting to see a potential bottom out here. And if so, then you want to be mindful of just kind of that being a thing. Okay, and with that being a thing, that really just implies the price action is either going to break up or down. Okay. Oftentimes when these things occur, the price action breaks down. However, I have seen a lot of instances recently where the price breaks up because Bitcoin magically recovers, or Bitcoin dominance starts to decrease and altcoins start to surge. AVAX has plenty of good support in the range of 43 to 46. So again, if the price pulls back any further, not the end of the world. However, at this point, it's definitely not looking fantastic for the bulls. All right. So that's kind of where we're at there. Hope this made sense. I described this correctly for you. If y'all want to jump on over to our Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, do so. Link down below for that. We've also got a awesome partnership with Bitunix. They give you good little benefit rewards for using my link to register. And then more important, if you want to become a better trader and kind of take part in our trade signals or just be part of an awesome trading academy or community, link down below for that. Check it out, folks. Look forward to working with you either way. Hope you have a great rest day. We'll see you the next one. Take care.